Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple shape key in Blender. So I'm going to delete this and I'm gonna click on the default cube and press tab to go into edit mode, and I'm going to add two cut with Ctrl+R. Okay, so now that I've done that, to actually create the shape key, you need to go right here in the menu and click on Data. And here you can see that you have the Shape Keys menu. So what you need to do is add one to create the basis. So the basis is the original shape of the mesh with no deformation. And then what you're going to do is add the actual key, and this will be used to deform the mesh. So make sure you clicked on key 1 and go into edit mode, and you can select anything. I'm going to select these two and I'm going to scale them. So I press S plus Z to scale them on the Z axis. And so this is what my key 1 looks like. Now if you press tab, you go into object mode and it disappears, but it's normal. Then if you press tab again to go into edit mode, you can see your shape key again. So I'm just going to rename it, let's say spikes. And now my shape key is called spikes. And here, as you can see, you have a value slider and you can actually change it and see your shape key. So I'm gonna leave it to 1, and once you know you're not going to modify the shape key anymore, you can press the lock button to protect the shape, so you don't actually change it. Okay. And you can even mute it, so you can see your basis shape key. So what you can do is add, let's say, another one. And I'm going to left it as key 2. Make sure you click on it and it is selected. Go into edit mode. And now let's say I'm going to select these vertices and I'm going to scale it on the Y axis. Okay, so now I go back into object mode. And if I change the value on the slider, I can actually combine multiple shape keys. And now that I'm done, I'm going to protect it. So now if I go and try to edit it again, I have an error message because it is locked. Okay, so our shape keys are now created. And now if you want to know how to export your shape key to Unity, click on this video.